guys! Welcome back to our channel and I just want to say thank you sa mga bagong nag-subscribe sa channel natin, and we are now almost 400 subscribers. So thank you guys for subscribing. Before anything else, have you heard about TubeBuddy? It is a plug-in on Google Chrome. It will manage your YouTube channel. Or the most essential function of the TubeBuddy is using tags when you upload videos, which is searchable on YouTube, and then it will rank you through YouTube searches. Bago pumunta sa topic for this vlog, I just want to share with you guys yung shout out from the US na nakilala ko sa TubeBuddy, si Scott. So, panoorin po natin yung shoutout niya. It's
also got best wishes from a gentleman overseas. The channel's called Ron Travel Life. If you're in the Philippines area, you got to check out this channel. He has tons of cool tips. Thank you very much, dude, for all the support on the forums.
On this vlog, pag-usapan po natin kung ano ba mga ginagawa natin pagka malapit o malate sa work. So, in my case, this is risky yung ginawa ko para lang makaabot sa trabaho and hindi malate. So, hindi siya advisable on a day-to-day basis, but kung kinakailangan, please do so. And for sure, yung mga nag-work somewhere in Makati area, makaka-relate kasi madaming gumagamit ito doon sa area na yon. So, if kung meron kang ibang mga ginawa just to be on time on your work and meron kang konting oras na lang, please comment down below para mapag-usapan natin yan on our next video. This video was taken few days ago, and then so ayan, panoorin po natin. Here we go. guys, if naka-relate kayo sa ginawa ko na naghabal-habal kayo para lang be on time at work, share nito yung video na to or comment down below and then subscribe na rin kayo sa channel natin para and then click that notification bell para ma-notify kayo dun sa next uploads. Again, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe and sa mga magsusubscribe pa lang. Thank you very much. And then, that's it for now guys and see you on the next one. Bye!